Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Wednesday, April 3, 2024. Here she is upside down, our 1964 17-foot Chris Craft supere-sport. Several people have asked how we do it. Well, I'm going to sort of set this up backwards. We'll start it out seeing her upside down, and then we'll watch a little time lapse, but you'll see that our method involves using two winches, one on this side that pulls and one on the other side that's wrapped. It's wrapped all the way around the hull, and it's our restraint. So the far one, we play out as we roll, and as the red one on this side begins pulling her over. What we have on top is the most wonderful roller you've ever seen. One of the joys of living in Vermont is there are more people around here who are just so incredibly creative. That's a piece of reject well casing. The fittings on the end came from an old log truck. Those bearings roll like butter. They even have zerks on them, so we can grease them from time to time. So now she is upside down, and as you can see, somebody thought painting raw wood with what appears for all the world to be latex paint is probably not a good way to protect the underside of your boat. These planks are, well, as we say in Vermont, they've had the radish, and they'll all come off. You can see where somebody has done the old stupid trick and tried to pay, probably is, tried to pay $5,200 into the seams, and what's happened, of course, over time is it's turned hard as stone. It has actually crushed wood fibers as the wood has moved back, and this wood moved back and forth a lot with its handy dandy one coat of black latex paint on it. She has what we have decided, we have awarded this strut the most incredible strut in the universe award. Look at the base of that strut. That's original, right? And here we have yet another super beamy 17-foot boat. I just don't understand Chris Craft's fascination with these little baby rudders. Remember, this boat's powered by a 327F. That's a whole lot of ponies in the bilge. And when you turn it, that's all you have to make this boat turn and to control this boat. But that's the way it is. So we will take all the bottom planks off, all the inner skin off, which is plywood, just sheets of plywood, and pull the chine planks as well. And we already know there are a bunch of, well, there are at least several bottom frames that are rotted away and need to be replaced. I'm guessing when we get in here, we're gonna just, well, I don't know. Maybe the bottom bow is okay, but we do have some corner rot right there. So let me tie this one together with the time lapse, and we'll start scraping in and pulling fasteners and getting this bottom off. Once we do, we'll focus first on the frames and then, of course, on the outer skin. This is going to be a Snake Mountain True 5200 alternate bottom. The outside skin will be fabricated using sheets of Aquatech plywood rather than these planks. Flip. We'll focus now on removing that awful bottom and being back to you several times so that you can follow us as we work through this process. That's our update on our 1964 17-foot Chris Craft Super Sport. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boatworks.